Dreaming of a career in the beauty industry? Don't just dream, make it happen with Zylish Academy. Whether you want to become a professional hairstylist, makeup artist, beautician, or nail expert, your journey starts here. Established in 2016, Zylish Academy has become one of Eastern India's most trusted beauty training institutes, helping thousands of students build successful careers. Learn from experienced trainers and master the latest techniques in hair, beauty, makeup, and nail art with live demonstrations, workshops, and hand on practice that prepare you for the real salon world. With 14 branches across Bihar, Sikkim, Meghalaya, and West Bengal, quality beauty education is now closer than ever. And that's not all. We also provide career guidance and placement support, helping you get hired in top salons or even start your own business. Don't wait for success, create it. Admissions are now open. Join Zylish Academy today and turn your passion into a profession. For more information, visit our nearest branch at Demson SBI Building, 2nd floor, or call at 96 789 85839.